All right, today I'm going to be talking about the Vex VR Sensing Colors activities. As you can see on this page, there are 3 different levels that you'll complete. Level 1, there's already video made right there that you can watch. Level 2 and 3, I'm going to talk a little bit about both of them. So for 2, you're going to be starting at the C standpoint or starting point, and then you're going to program your VR robot to draw a line from the starting point to the end of the playground. Okay. The VR robot should change pen color every time it detects a new line. Okay, so you can kind of see here, C, this is a black line, red, green, blue, black. Okay, so if you do it correctly, you would draw a black line to here, a red line to here, a green line to here, a blue line, and then you would stop at the black. Okay, for 3, you can see you're going to start at the starting point, go to the first black line, back to the starting point. Starting point, red line, starting point, green line, starting point, blue line, starting point. Okay, so basically you're going to go C, boom, C, red, C, green, C, blue, and then all the way back. Okay, so going to the Vex website. So first couple things how we're going to make sure that we are getting to the proper color. Okay, if you go to sensing, we are going to use our down eye sensors. Okay, so if you go under eye sensing, you see all these that have front eye. Remember, you can just click and choose down eye. Okay, so we're going to use brightness. You could use front eye, or sorry, down eye detects whatever color, but I'm going to show you how to do the brightness. Okay, first I want to select this. Okay, this is because if you come over here and then choose this one, you will now be able to see the down eye or front eye brightness. Okay, so that's important because every time you draw or you run over a color, it will show you a different brightness. Okay, so if I come in here and we'll just drive forward for 2000. Okay, choose my playground. I need to make sure that it is line detector. Okay, and then to choose the C, I click this button and choose C. Okay. Now, if I just click play, you'll see the down brightness change. Okay, so right now it's 100. So when it detects white, it's going to be 100, and then it'll change when you see black, red, green, and blue. So go ahead and play. Look over here to the right. So 29.9, 58.7, 11.4, and black is 0. Okay, so remembering those different brightnesses, that's how we're going to complete 2 and 3, really. Okay, so a little bit how we're going to use those. I already kind of have something set up, but I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so basically right now this says drive forward until the down eye senses 0, stop driving, drive reverse. I have a wait just to kind of make sure that it stops and waits for a little bit. And then we're going to drive forward, and we're going to wait until it senses the 29.9. We're going to stop, and then I have it reversing until it senses the black again, and then it stops driving. And then we're going to drive forward until it senses that brightness, and then it's just kind of a repeated action. Okay, so if I put this whole thing in, we push start. We need to change our location, and then push start. Right, push start. So black back, red back, and then I've noticed that it's actually going to skip green because the brightness is for the blue. So it's going to hit blue and then stop. Okay, so obviously I'd want to put green in there and make it stop and then go back to the beginning. Okay, so using this particular one, you can obviously do it that way. Go ahead and close that. Remember, drive forward here, wait until is under control. Okay, so wait until is down here. And then you see the green one, that's going to be under operators. Now, I have it as the blank equals 50. So you would bring that in. Okay, so if I just show you the wait until operators, I would bring that in like that. Then I would change my sensing to down eye brightness like that. And then I'd equal whatever brightness it is. Okay. Again, you could take all that out, and you could choose this one and detect any of those colors as well. Okay, so you can try it either way. It doesn't really matter too much. For the pen color, obviously then when you get from you're going black to red, you want to make sure your pen is down, and then you're changing your pen color. And then obviously anytime, so it would be down and then you draw the pen. And then anytime you want to go back, you'd bring the pen up and go back, and then go and then put the pen color here and then go back, and then kind of repeat that. If you're doing it continuous, you'd go pen down, black, and then you change it to red, and then you change it to green, and then you change it to blue. Okay, so that's a little bit about levels 2 and 3. You can play around with this code. Okay, you can use the down eye detects red or whatever. You can do it a couple different ways. So otherwise, this video should help you kind of get started, at least for level 2 and 3.